So we had a few beers at the dinner. And then afterwards, we decided to go to this country western club in Corpus. So we went all, okay? So at the conference, everybody's pretty conservative, you know, just business-like, everything. When we get to the country western club, all bets are off. All the people from the conference are
Dallas.
at this country western place. I don't know. I think
It was Dallas or
It was
Ropers.
Dallas,
Yeah.
But
It's Dallas or Ropers or
Dallas. It must have been Dallas.
JR's. Yeah.
Not
Anyway.
Not that I know.
So there's this one
I'm from
commissioner.
Corpus.
There's one commissioner. Him and his wife. You know, and I'm up there at the desk with him.
Were you doing the Carlton
Oh my
dance?
God. Anyway, I know. You know, this is a lot easier when I was just part of the gang. You know? But anyway, so there's this commissioner and his wife. Okay.
We think it was his wife.
No, it was his wife. It was his wife. And the commissioner's like this. And I'm like, what in the world? Anyway, so I was like, whoa. I said, whatever, you know, whatever rocks your boat. So the next day we're back at the conference. And okay, most of us, we have a hangover. And we're looking for the coffee like at 10 o'clock in the morning. Where's the coffee? Where's the coffee? And I run across the commissioner, and the commissioner sees me, and he goes like, and to this day, we just see each other, and we know that I know that it's